Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use VLC player on Android TV, especially how to play online streams. Now VLC is free and it supports almost every video and audio format. It also lets you open the network streams easily on your TV. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to turn on your Android TV. Over here, simply click on the option of the Google Play Store. When you are inside the Google Play Store, simply search for VLC. When you are able to find the VLC application in your Google Play Store, simply hit the install button and the application will be installed in your TV successfully. Now, after the installation, the application interface is going to look something like this. When you open VLC, on the home screen itself, you will see the sections for the video, then we have the audio, browsing and the network. So to play the videos from a USB, you just have to simply connect your device to the TV. VLC will automatically detect it and show your files. So you can select the video and press and play. Now you can simply use it for streaming, which means playing a video from an online address. On VLC, you can simply just look for the option of the network. So here when you open the network option, you will see a box where you can paste the URL. Then you can use your remote to type or paste the stream link. And then when you hit OK, VLC will start playing the stream instantly if the link is valid. You can also open the local network media from your PC or phone using the same Wi-Fi network. For that, simply go to the local VLC inside the networks to see the shared folders. When you go to the media servers, you simply select the file that you want to play. During playback, you can adjust the subtitles, the audio tracks, the playback speed and the aspect ratio using the on-screen controls. Now VLC also remembers where you stopped watching so that you can continue later. Now the important news here would be only use the legal streams or your own media here. VLC is just a player, so always respect the copyright rules when you are using the network streams. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.